How to teach yourself graphic design. What's up guys, my name is Cecilia Elise Wallin from cleareyedentrepreneur.com. This is the first video in a video series aimed at improving your graphic design skills. To help you move forward faster, I will give you some pieces of advice here. I am not going to advise you to first study design theory for years and to read hundreds of books. That might be a good alternative if you intend to become a professional designer and design teacher. But if you are going to use your skills to market your own business, then it is probably much better and more fun to learn by doing. Spend a lot of time collecting ideas, download or bookmark pictures and films that you find stunningly designed, analyze what you like in them and how it is done. Get inspiration from the very best when you start producing your own pictures and products. A great way to test your pictures while also promoting your business is to post different versions of your designs in Facebook groups and ask people to choose the one they like best. Another tip is to join Facebook groups for designers, where you can ask questions, discuss and give helpful advice to others. And there are many free courses, YouTube videos and tools which will help you improve your graphic design skills. I will list the best resources I have found below. Have fun and create products that you really love. Thanks a lot for watching. Welcome to write a comment below and see you in the next video.